As a leader in the HVAC industry, we continually focus on manufacturing products that deliver meaningful benefits to hardworking technicians in the field. With that goal in mind, we are pleased to bring you more user-friendly and intuitive ways to set up and service our gas furnaces. At the heart of these improvements is a new control board, now in the full lineup of our gas furnaces. This innovative furnace control board will streamline installation and service, making them faster and more accurate. The first thing you'll notice on the control board is a new LED display. This 3-digit 7-segment display with its 2 push buttons creates an easy-to-use interface at your fingertips. Additionally, this new display is the source of fault code communication. Quick, easy-to-read fault codes now replace the lengthy task of counting flashing LED lights. The most impressive feature of this new control board is the integration of patent-pending near-field communication, or NFC, which enables communication between the furnace control board and our technician app. NFC technology is the same technology used for credit card tap-to-pay systems and paying via a smartphone. To explore this new technology, download our free tech app from the Google Play or Apple App Stores. Once the app is downloaded, you don't need cell service or Wi-Fi to utilize NFC. Specifically, the functions for installer setup and accessing diagnostic information don't require a signal. The control board does not need power. In fact, the power must be off when utilizing NFC communication. Your mobile device activates the NFC antenna on the control board when in very close proximity. When the furnace is in an upflow orientation, you can find the antenna in the top right corner of the control board. Look for the NFC logo. The NFC antenna on your mobile device is on the back, near the top edge if you have an iPhone, or in the middle of the back on Android devices. Remove your phone case if a connection is not immediately established. The app will prompt you to initiate an NFC connection whenever one is required. Tap your mobile device on the control board NFC logo as shown in the app, and you're connected. It's that quick and easy. Upon opening the app, you will be prompted to sign in, create an account, or continue as a guest. Note that you can perform all the NFC functions utilizing guest access. Once in the app, click the Connect to Equipment button on the main menu and select Furnace. There are 3 main features of the app: Diagnostics, Installer Setup, and Replace Control Board. First, let's look at the Diagnostics feature. The Diagnostics menu gives you 3 options for evaluating how the unit is functioning: fault codes, unit history, and component self-test. Fault codes will give you the unit's code history as well as any active faults the unit might be experiencing. Unit history reports the number of operation cycles and hours the unit has operated. And the component self-test option tests critical component functionality to assist with troubleshooting upon power up. Now let's look at the Installer Setup feature. With this feature, you can adjust unit parameters when installing a new furnace, such as heating and cooling airflows and constant fan. To complete setup, select each parameter and follow the easy-to-use screens. Notice that you can revert to the factory default settings at any time by selecting the Reset to Default button. Additionally, you can save your favorite settings for future use within the app. For example, in a residential new construction neighborhood or a multifamily property, you can save unique furnace parameters by model and floor plan. Then, when repeating that same installation combination, you can access your favorites list to program your furnace with a quick NFC tap. This feature saves you valuable time and ensures confidence that the furnace airflows will be set correctly, eliminating callbacks, improving customer satisfaction, and maximizing homeowner comfort. This functionality can be done on-site or at your warehouse before installation. Finally, let's review the Replace the Control Board feature. If you need to replace a faulty control board, select the Replace Control Board option from the menu. The app outlines the process with a few simple steps. This feature saves you time by quickly transferring specific furnace settings from the original board to the new board. We are dedicated to improving the serviceability of our products. The Tech app, along with our new NFC-enabled furnace control board, delivers easier, faster, and more accurate product installation, diagnostic checks, and servicing. The future is a tap away. Download the free ICP brand Fast OEM Mobile Tech app today.